Legal woes soars for Tesha Miller as more charges has been laid. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations, especially my Jamaicans. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier here on TV. Thank you for tuning in to Rastaman channel. Build up the Rastaman panel. Subscribe for me if you have not subscribed as yet, ladies and gentlemen. Renowned gang leader Tesha Miller awaits decision by the court's appeal on his attempt to overturn a criminal conviction. Alleged leader of the St. Catherine-based Klansman gang, Tesha Miller is facing even more legal challenges. The Office of District of Public Prosecution issued a press release on Thursday stating that Miller and 22 other men were arrested, charged, and indicted on the Criminal Justice Act. They all appeared in Home Circuit Court in downtown Kingston Thursday. The ODPP said that men are alleged to be part of a criminal organization, the Clans Gang Tesha faction allegation led by Miller. The reports participating in several criminal activities between August 5th to 2017 and August 22, 2022 in St. Catherine. Charges against them including murder, conspiracy to the murder, attempt murder, robbery with aggravation, illegal possession of firearm, illegal possession of ammunition. But when the matter was called in court Thursday morning, the hearing was delayed for over 2 hours as Miller was absent. The ODPP said that the court was told that Miller had at first refused to cooperate with the authorities to be transported to court for the 10 a.m. start time. Miller is serving nearly 39 years at the Tower Street Adult Correction Center following the conviction of accessory before after fact connection with 2008 murder of chairman Jamaica Urban Transportation Company Douglas Chambers. The court heard that Thursday morning Miller refused to leave his cell in the correction center, forcing the police to devise a plan to bring him to the courthouse. However, when he arrived, Miller allegedly refused to be brought into the courtroom and had to be dragged there by the police as he kept resisting. Presiding Judge Justice Finette Graham Allen was privy at the delay in the hearing and then subsequently made her position clear on going forward. She stated, "That isn't going to happen in my Supreme Court of Jamaica. That's not going to happen. The rule of law will prevail and will always prevail in the court," she said. Shortly after, Miller's attorney, John Clark, told the judge that his client had been reportedly used for a punching bag requiring immediate medical attention. Graham Allen subsequently issued a formal order for the accused gang leader to be facilitated to seek medication or medical attention. She also set a hearing date for April 18 to ascertain why Miller was brought to court an hour after all the other accused men had been assembled at the courtroom on Thursday, and to hear the complainant about him being beaten. Following the hearing of those issues, Miller and the 22 other accused were formally present in court. The other accused men are Bjorn Thompson, Jeremy Hall, Kirk Forrester, Sean Gilson, Owen Billings, Jeremy Clark, Sharon Pottinger, Ryan Harris, Michael Wildman, Ramon Stewart, Jerome Spike, Conroy, Cadigan, Kilani Winter, Kimar Miller, Kamar Francis, Charles McCleary, Carlos Williams, Dwayne Freiter, Ronaldo Spence, Nashon Guess, Lamar Rowe, and Giovanni McDonald. The man, along with Miller, were brought to court on voluntary bill of indictment that was preferred by the ODP, the Office of District of Prosecution, on two counts as following. Count one, Tesha Miller, leader of the Klansman criminal organization. Tesha is the head of the faction between August 5th, 2017 and August 2022. Count. It says Bijan Thompson, Jeremy Halls, Eric Foster, and all the above names also were participant in criminal organization on day unknown between August 5th, 2017 and August 22, 2022. The ODPP said the accused men were arrested and charged by members of the court of the Counter-Terrorist Organization Crime Investigation Branch, CTOC, and the Jamaican Council before us on different dates. 18 of the accused were brought to the Home Circuit Court on voluntary bail of indictment, charge offense under the Criminal Justice Act, suppression of criminal organization. Early this year, the additional 5 appeared in court on Thursday. The ODPP said that last 2 additional accused persons, as well as other offenses, may be joined onto the indictment at a later date. All 23 accused were remanded and are to return to court April 18 in the case management court in the Home Circuit Court for the following reason. The prosecution to amend the indictment with the correct spelling of the name of the accused person, Ronaldo Spence, Sean Pottinger, Kimali Winter, and Giovanni McDonald, to allow the accused person, Ryan Harris, Conroy, Cadigan, and Kimar Francis, to set legal representation or to obtain legal aid assistance. All other accused to be represented by different counsel, which was confirmed on Thursday. The material received by the prosecution on Thursday are to be disclosed electronically to all defense attorney in the matter. Matters revealed to Miller late appearance in court, which are to be heard after the other accused men are dealt with. The case relative to Tesha faction of the Klansman gang follows last year's conviction of 15 murders of one Don faction of the Klansman gang leader Andre Blackman Bryan. Bryan is serving 39 and 6 months years in prison after being convicted of being the leader of the criminal organization as well as facilitating serious criminal activities including double murder and arson. The Tesha faction and the One Don faction of the Klansman gang are enemies, the police have stated previously. Ladies and gentlemen, it sounds like Jamaica is a little bit safer because Tesha and Blackman are behind bars and many of his alleged gang members. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. Let me know if you think that Jamaica is safer right now that Andre Blackman and Tesha, the thriller killer Miller, is behind bar. Subscribe, like, and share to the Rastaman channel. Help me build up the Rastaman panel. Remember, we're on a quest to make Jamaica safe again. So leave your comment. Yeah, and share the content for the Rasta man. More life, more joy, and more nappiness. You stay blessed.
Yeah, man, big up to Deep Roots. Yeah, man, you want to hear the tune? Tune into Deep Roots. Up top. Put-a-do.
Hey, Deep Roots, man. How you guys doing out there? We having a good time, man. We're right in Fort Lauderdale Beach. We got dancing, we got party, we got beautiful women. We doing good things over here. Deep Roots, man. Keep it real. Fire,